everyone. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to get started on Flipgrid. This is especially good for English language learners when you're learning online, as we all are right now. So the first thing you want to do is go to your browser page. I'm using Google, and I'm going to put in flipgrid.com. So this is what it looks like on your computer. You can also use this on your phone on an app. So in my class, I use QR codes and also the code that is given through Flipgrid. So if you are an app person and prefer to use your phone, do that. For this video, I'm using my computer because I can record my screen. All right. So, hello from my beautiful backyard. All right. So we have here, you can enter a flip code just to get started. Just so you know, you as a student do not need an account to get started. You can just enter a flip code. If I click here, it says, if you do not know your flip code, ask your educator. I had copied and pasted. I have, mine is Wakeland 7785 for this particular course. You can also click the full URL that is given to you by your teacher or take a picture of the QR code. So this is what the page will look like. This is the particular class that I'm teaching right now. So, a different picture. I need to change some of these. It's a nice picture, but it could be better. And then I've already included a couple of topics for my students. What you'll do, you can look at the 3 different topics and click on one of the different ones. This is just the last one that I created. It actually works a lot like social media. You can see engagement, replies, views. When it's on your cell phone through the app, I really, really like that. In fact, most Flipgrid, I would encourage you to use the app instead of the computer. It's just easier. All right. So let's say we want to create a video. So welcome to Flipgrid. Tap the green plus below to open the Flipgrid camera, then record a short video. So there are a couple of steps to this. All right, so it says say hello and share a fun fact about yourself. Well, let's do it. Here's the green plus sign. And on your phone, it'll be also a green plus sign. All right. So we're signing in. I'm going to use this one. Allow. Oh, what a beautiful video. So many me's here. Okay, and you can also play with things like, if I don't want to put my face on there, I'll just put, yay, me, instead. I know a lot of people don't like to share their face if they, or maybe I say, wicked awesome. Whatever you want to do, you can play with it. There are lots of different options here. Let's see. I want to undo that. Undo, and I'll just let it be me. Okay, so now I want to record. I could also record on my camera, like from my phone, and upload that. So you can do it in the app or on the computer, or you can record first and then upload like you would to, whatever app you're using, or to like a email or Google or whatever. All right, so let's go to making a video. Ooh. You can see, you can change. Ooh, sepia. Ooh. But it's so beautiful out here. I'm going to go with nothing. Let's do it. Hi, my name is Jessica, and I love to sing opera. Yeah. All right. So I've made a video and I click next. So at that point, if I'm happy, I can hit next. Let me use my highlighter. I can hit next. Or if oh, here we go. I can hit next. Or I could click add more. I'm happy. So I'm going to just go with next. This is the complicated part, and it's not even complicated, but it gets confusing. It wants you to take a selfie. So after you do your video, you'll need to take a picture of yourself so that it'll go in the little circle. So here we go. Again, you can, you know, yay. And then I can like draw a mustache on myself or something. Haha. Whatever you want to do. Don't close it. It's preparing my video. All right, then you can, what do you want to call it? Jessica W? Sure. Title. About Jessica. You can add a link if you want to. Um, I don't really use this option right now, at least just to get started. Keep it basic, keep it simple. And then I'm going to submit the video. Yay! Okay, at that point, it's on the app, it's on the program, and you can copy and paste that as a direct link if you want to. So maybe you really love what you did. You can put it on your Facebook or your LinkedIn or wherever, your blog, wherever you're posting things to, any social media. You can download the video so that you can share, or you can download the selfie as well if you really love it. When you're done, you complete, and there it is. If people want to respond, oh, here's the response. 3, 2, 1. I love you. You're so fantastic. Yay. Pause. Next. All right, I can click to edit. I can make it, say I don't like the first. Maybe I don't like this last part. I take it off. Now it's all right. I got to take that selfie again. All right, this time. Or I don't know. We'll do. Again, it's about love. So I love you. Yay. All right. It's thinking, thinking, thinking. My response. That's the name of this. Keep it easy, keep it simple. Submit video. Congratulations, we did it again. If you want to share your video, you can do it like that. Complete. Oh, it's beautiful. And of course, up here, maybe you want to see a different one. You'll click on the topics. So there are different topics for each class that you're using. All right. So that's how to get started to review. 1, download the app or access on a computer. You do not need an account, but you do need the code to the class. Then, when you're making a video, you make the video, you can edit, and then before you can submit, you have to take a selfie. And then after you submit, you can download or share. So it should be fun. It should be easy. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to help. Enjoy. Bye.